I am Putriandayani Bulala. We are third group for first class and we want to present our discussion about direct method. The history of direct method. Direct method, also called natural method. This method was established in Germany and France around 1900. Direct method was introduced by Francois and Charles. Direct method arose because some factors of dissatisfaction with GTM. The direct method was first introduced in Germany but lacks a response. It was supported in Germany. Eventually, the French adopted. Direct method has one very basic rule. There is no translation into mother tongue of any kind. Therefore, in direct method, the meaning decided to be conveyed directly the target language from use, performance, and visual without using the student native language. So, this method, teachers must use foreign language to teach in classroom. Okay, next material, continue by Mabel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Marilina Matidaya. I want to explain by our presentation is about direct method. The definition of the direct method or understanding direct method is derived from word direct, which means direct. Direct method or direct models is a way of presenting phrasal language subject matter where teacher directly use phrasal language as language of instruction without using the language of the student at all in teaching, not only the teaching. If there are words that are difficult of students to understand, teacher can interrupt them by using teaching aids, demonstrating, describing, and others. And the features of models method are: the subject matter is first given word, then sentence structure, teaching grammar is only casual and students are not required to memorize grammar formulas, but the main thing is that the students are able to manage the language properly. In the processing process, always use aids or approach in the form of direct or indirect or in demonstration through certain symbols or movements after entering class. Students are really conditioned to accept and converse in language and prohibit from using others' language. Just that I might explain my presentation. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nurchaya Sarumaha. I continue to explain. My explanation is about what the role of teacher and students in direct method. The role of teacher in direct method is first as primary source of comprehensible in the target language. In this part, the teachers as primary source that provide information in the target language. Second, create an interesting situation in the classroom. In this part, the teachers becomes who can build interesting atmosphere for students in the classroom so that learning is fun and students are comfortable to learn. Third, the teachers must choose and orchestrate a rich mix of classroom activities like variety size group, context and content, like collecting materials and designing their use. In this part, the teacher is designer of all activities in the classroom, and at the same time, the teachers is become the designer of learning materials. Okay, the role of students in direct method is first, students are be active because they have to read a passage, make a conversation, answer the question, and ask the questions. In this method, the students must be active because they have to read a passage and they have to speak a lot to improve their language skill. For example, ask the question, answer the questions, and make conversation. Okay, that's all our presentation. Thank you.